This is adult life. I don't know how it's gonna go. Whatever happens, you'll know. It is what day it is today. What day is it?
Sunday.
It's not Sunday. What day is it?
Don't know.
It's Wednesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday. And we are going to watch the movie Lilo and Stitch. I think this is Surat's first Stitch movie. Is it?
Yes.
This is first Stitch movie. I have watched all 5 or 6 movies. So this is the animated version, but like not the cartoon version. It's like,
It's a live action.
yeah, it's live action. Sorry, that's the word that's supposed to be used. It's a live action movie. So we're going to watch that. It's a 10:20 show in the night and it's Wednesday. I hope it's worth it. I hope it's worth all the hype and experience.
What deranged lunatic would create something like this?
लग रहा है सोना है.
PVR INOX brings you
That's a
Big
movie
Fill
then.
with Small
Movie
Bill
है, but
in association
मैं
with
बताऊँ.
Easy Diner. Now get up to
The movie is
25%
so
off on your
good.
food and beverage
He is like
transactions at the
Stitch.
cinema concession when you pay via Easy Diner. Don't forget
You
to
are
start
like
placing your
Stitch.
food order and download the Easy Diner app for a faster checkout. Terms and conditions.
ಬರಬರಲಾರೆ ವಿಮಲ್ನ ಮಾತೇ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ.
I am still working. I'm also working and also watching the match. We just took a wicket. So, for anybody who doesn't know, I am a die-hard RCB fan. This is like the playoffs, and this is the only chance we can go to finals. And like we are currently playing the match, and I'm not saying we're killing it, but we are playing decent, I guess. Anyway, I just hope that that things change and like we win this match. You'll see from my you'll see from my vlogs and my videos. But anyway, also working, also seeing the match. This is adult life. If I was in college, I would just be watching the match with a couple of drinks. But guys, oh my god, guys, it's like 30 for 3 with 3 wickets down. Are you kidding me? I'm done. I'm like dead. I'm dead. What a wicket. This is why I love Josh Hazelwood. This is why he's my favorite bowler at the moment. I could hear the bat sound so nicely because I was like, it's going to be a fucking wicket when it hit the bat. Ah! I'm texting my cousin and I'm like, bro, I'm dying. I'm gone. She's just like, yeah. She's like, I'm also dying. Marcus Stoinis is out. Yes. Ben Stokes.
गप्पू.
Raj. We are batting and the target is just 102. What are your thoughts? Sure.
Guys wanna eat samosa?
He ate samosa and so many chilies. Are you mad?
अब लहर रहा है, पानी पी लिया तो.
ये तुम ही हो जो जोलो चिप भी खा रहे थे उस दिन पागल की तरह. You mad? You ate more chili?
Yes. अरे थोड़ा सी लूँगा. बस.
Why are you so stupid?
अरे सर दर्द दे रहा है.
नहीं, पानी से और बढ़ेगा. 18 runs needed of 70 balls. This is a dream. What do you have to say?
Dream of every RCB fan.
Yes. Match, but never say never, guys. Salt got a 50. So cool. 2 runs from 60 balls. And
Yes. जीत गया हम.
yes! We're in finals! The finals, easy win, boys.
श्वेता क्या कहाँ आए हो तुम?
We are in Kesol.
Kesol.
Choosing a ramen. Let's see.
Veg options, right?
Yeah.
You can add corn with it.
Yeah.
And add corn and just have to press this button, M1 and stop.
So we can add corn now only?
Now, corn you have to add before you start the machine.
What?
This is the fork and this much chopstick.
Do you have more? You have to put here. Go sit there. You can put these.
Budget friendly.
These budget friendly.
Okay.
No, we have cheese already.
No, I am also wanting.
Okay, see.
ये ज़्यादा नहीं डालना ना?
ऐसी नहीं होगा I guess. Cheese lover, cheese paglu.
चीज़ बल्ले बल्ले. चीज़ बल्ले बल्ले. Best for now.
Good ramen.
Good me.
It's so confusing, no?
Good review.
We also got blueberry soda. Soda or aid? Blueberry aid. This is 0 calorie Welch soda. I don't know what does this mean.
Green grape flavor.
Everything is in Korean.
सब कुछ ठीक है, ये क्या है?
It's sick.
क्यों है ये?
Very yummy. Here is the Harry Potter pop-up.
सब्सक्राइब करके जल्दी पैसे दो ताकि वो मैं सिपर ले सकूं.
Reduce the volume. Why do all parents watch reel in so loud volumes? Because they are loud people, it seems. Anyway, guys, hello. Today is Sunday evening. I know it went past so fast. We are going to Gurudwara. We are going to pray for good health and everybody's wealth. Say hello to Log.
Say hello to my new bees, Naini.
You are sitting in a different car.
So what? That's mine.
Say hello to Vlog.
Sat Sri Akal.
Sat Sri Akal, it seems. Anyway, we are on the way. It's showing 33 minutes. Traffic is too high.
सब आंटी का गल वजह से हुआ. 33 minutes it seems.
सभी वॉशिंग मशीन का गलती है.
It seems.
प्रसाद सिक्योर हो चुका है. खाइए प्लीज.
दाल भाई
हाँ थोड़ा.
by if there's any space.
The very famous Brigade Road is always crowded. God knows why. I just miss old Bangalore. कहाँ है हम? Guys, we are in High Street. There is so much food over here. How's it? Guys, it is Monday. We are going to get a Botox treatment for my hair. My hair is fine, but I just find it very difficult to manage. I've gotten keratin treatment previously, but like now I feel like it's time for at least another treatment, and I want to try Botox and see if that works for me full time. I don't know how it's gonna go. Whatever happens, you'll know. So let's go get Botox. See, my hair's not that bad, but it's like extremely frizzy. So I want that frizz control. Botox is essentially adding stuff like supplements like keratin and other protein for your hair to like be able to hold its nutrients and like health. So Botox is not bad. It's just maybe it suits some people. It doesn't suit some people. Keratin suited me, so I'm trying to see Botox if it works. Let's see what happens. मुझसे ज़्यादा तुम डर रहे हो. I'm back. It was such a long day, like such a long appointment. But anyway, like this is how my hair looks. I know it's grown shorter in length, but this is medium length. I'm so glad like I got this done because my hair feels so light, my head feels so light. So what they usually do is they first wash your hair with a certain like conditioner and shampoo. It's like specific to Botox. That is washed like thoroughly 2 to 3 times, and you have an interval of like 20-30 minutes in between. It takes you 1 hour to basically wash your hair to cleanse it properly, and then once that is done, it's blow dried. And then when it's blow dried, they keep it for some time. They start to put the application, which is the Botox application. It's this cream. I don't know what this is called. Like if you go to a parlor, they'll tell you best what they do. So they put this application through dye, and then they keep that for some time. Like they keep it for like I think 30 to 45 minutes. Once that's done, they iron it, like they straighten it so it sticks, it bonds to your hair. And once they iron it, they go back and wash it again with some different kind of shampoo and conditioner. And once you wash it, they blow dry it and they cut it at the ends to give it like a pointy, structure. So yeah guys, that's my hair. It looks amazing. I like straight hair. I hate management. My hair management patience is low, plus I do not have the time to manage my hair because my hair is actually very thick. If you go to see, the man almost lost his hands because my hair was so thick. Anyway, this is my hair. It looks so good. Now I feel light. Now I feel like me. I feel good. Anybody who's looking to get Botox, you should get a consultation first. After only the consultation you should get it. Don't get it without consultation, because they can they can see your hair type and then they can tell you whether you need Botox or whether you should do another treatment. There are different treatments available. So if you're looking for straight smooth hair like this, then Botox and keratin might be like the best option, but you need to still research well. Because I have done keratin before, I knew that Botox would work as well. It's just a different type of keratin, but it just lasts longer. I should have done Botox from the get-go, but I just didn't think Botox would be good for me because A, it is expensive, B, I wasn't very sure that Botox would do what keratin would do. But actually my perception has changed. Botox is much better than keratin. With keratin, my hair was like fully straight. It was like pointy as hell, but here you can see it still has like a natural look. It's not so straight, but it gives you like a natural look. I really love my hair. It's just so easy to manage at this point. A great job. Like whoever can handle my hair like deserves like everything in the world because like it's so hard to manage my hair, but now it's easy. Like it looks good, it feels good. So anybody who wants to get Botox should actually get it. So my mom also got a haircut finally at the same day that I got a Botox from the same hairstylist. How does it feel?
He is amazing and I feel so light and nice.
So behind, my mom used to have the same hair before and now it's back. It actually looks very nice on her.
I'll show you the photo when after the type.
Yeah.
It's so nice
So
with that hairstylist. He is actually good. Look
yeah,
at
that's
this.
the hairstylist and that's the haircut. It looks very nice. Finally got
Rid of rubber bands and pins.
nice. How was your hair before, but
It was
long?
so long and it was so thin and hair fall. Now nothing else. I feel nice. Thank you, Shweta, for recommending such a nice parlor. Good night. Shubhratri.
That's pretty much it for the week. I am gonna go sleep now. I'm tired as hell. Tomorrow is the finals. Tomorrow, as in it's Tuesday tomorrow, so it's the finals and RCB is playing. So I'm gonna vlog that and put it out like maybe the next day. But tomorrow you'll see this vlog. Let's go. I'm so excited and nervous. I know the vlog has been here and there a little bit, but nothing interesting is happening on a day-to-day basis. I'm working more and more at this point. So nobody's going to see me work, right? So whenever there's something interesting, I vlog that time. So please bear with me. Please keep supporting. Please like, share and subscribe. Do all of that. I feel like my support is becoming low. I don't know why, but please go ahead and share it with people and show people my vlogs. See you soon.